Now, with the average cost of new cars over $50,000, keeping your car longer might just be the best financial choice.
And just like that new car smell will eventually run out, so will your warranty.
That's right. The good news is when your car warranty expires, CarShield is there.
With CarShield, you have that peace of mind. You're not going to be stuck for a huge thousands of dollars bill.
If you're like us, you love your car. And recently we got stuck paying for an unexpected breakdown.
We can tell you firsthand those repairs get expensive real fast, and no family needs that kind of drama.
And that's the story of why we're a CarShield family now.
And if you drive as much as we do, protecting your car with CarShield is a must.
With an affordable month-to-month plan from CarShield, you can get protection on up to 5,000 parts and systems. Call now to speak to a vehicle protection expert and get your free quote.
So there are a few things in life that are certain. The sun will always rise, my wife will always be right, and all vehicles will eventually break down.
You know what else I'm right about? Saving money. And CarShield has saved drivers over $1 billion on car repairs.
Yeah, and we love the fact CarShield can help us save money on car repairs, but there's so much more than that. So call now before a breakdown happens.
CarShield plans also include money-saving benefits that don't expire, like 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance for flat or damaged tires, lockouts, dead batteries, courtesy towing, and rental options.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 4 years. I've saved over $3,000, and I couldn't be happier.
Calling CarShield before a breakdown is something I wish I had done. Now it's your turn.
Saving money is always smart, but if you want to be even smarter, protect your out-of-warranty car, truck, or SUV with CarShield today.
No matter how many miles you drive, CarShield has you covered nationwide and on a month-to-month plan that will never go up in price as long as you cover your vehicle. Plus, enjoy roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental options with every plan. Join the millions of Americans who've saved thousands on car repairs thanks to CarShield. Call 800-807-1178. 800-807-1178.